first graders, welcome to Unit 3, Week 1, Day 4. We're going to start by reviewing the words we've been working on. 3, 2, 1. Piles. 3, 2, 1. Rides. 3, 2, 1. Bikes. 3, 2, 1. Sides. 3, 2, 1. Smiles. So remember, even though there's an S, we still have the super E, so it says smiles. 3, 2, 1. Lives. 3, 2, 1. Dimes. 3, 2, 1. Bites. 3, 2, 1. Spikes. 3, 2, 1. Quite. 3, 2, 1. 5. Okay, friends, so let's look at this word. This is tile. Change the t to m. Mile. Change the ul to m. Mine. Change the m to p. Pine. Get rid of the e. Pin. Change the p to f. Fin. Add an e. Fine. Change the n to v. Five. Change the f to ul. Live. Change the ul to h. Hive. Change the v to d. Hide. Get rid of the e. Cover it up with your hand. Hid. Change the h to rid. And that's all for that part. Here are our high frequency words. Okay, we have green, 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 green. My new bike is green and white. Grow, 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 grow. The grass will grow. Pretty, 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 pretty. This is a pretty dress. Should, 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 should. When should I come to see you? Together, 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 together. We can play together. Water, 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 water. Do you want a drink of water? Okay, here is our story for today. I'll let you go first. And then together. Plants take time to grow. So I'm going to give you 3 seconds. Think in your head, is this a fiction story or a non-fiction? 3, 2, 1. If you said non-fiction, you're right. Non-fiction is real. And what helps us is looking at the picture. That's a real picture. Okay, here are some words you'll see. 3, 2, 1. Bee. 3, 2, 1. Green. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. Pretty. 3, 2, 1. Ways. 3, 2, 1. Grow. 3, 2, 1. 2. 3, 2, 1. Should. 3, 2, 1. Together. Okay, let's have you go first, then we'll do it together. Go ahead. Together. Plants take time to grow. Your turn. Together. Plants can be green. Plants can be a big size. Plants can be pretty. They can grow in a lot of ways. So each of these look slightly different, but they are all plants. Okay, your turn. Together. It takes time to grow a plant. To make a plant grow, you should add some water. Plants like to get wet. Okay, your turn. Okay, together. Place it in a fine spot with sun. Plants like the sun to shine on them. The sun will make plants rise or grow. Okay, your turn. Together, a pine is a plant. A pine can rise up to a big size. Pines can grow together in a line. They take time to grow. So these are pine trees. Okay, your turn. Together, a plant is a fine thing. When a plant has time, it can rise and grow big. A plant can make life good. So plants make things beautiful. Okay, let's look at this structural analysis. So we know a noun is a person, place, or thing. So when we have more than one noun, we add an S. So side, like inside, becomes sides. Or like the sides of a chair, a dresser, or a desk, the sides of a desk. Side becomes sides. So here are some more nouns. Remember, a noun is a person, place, or thing. So what's this word? I'll give you 3 seconds. 3, 2, 1. Prize. Prize becomes prizes. Ride. Now ride, I ride the bus. That's a verb. But we're talking about like when you have rides at Lagoon or at the fair. So ride becomes rides. Read that one. Cake becomes cakes, more than one. Plane becomes planes. Okay, so when I have a noun, person, place, or thing, all of these are things. When I have more than one thing, I'm going to add an S. Prizes, rides, cakes, planes. So, and you'll hear that they either have an S sound or S or Z. So prizes, Z, rides, cakes, planes. Okay, let's look at one more thing. Remember, when a present tense verb tells about one noun, it ends in an S. When it tells about more than one noun, or I or you, it does not end in an S. Okay, so let's make that so it's understandable. A verb is an action. So I would say the cat snakes, naps, or slide. I'd say naps. I'm talking about one cat, and I add an S at the end because that's what one cat is doing. Cat naps. Now this time, snakes, I have more than one snake, so I don't put an S on my verb. Slide. Snakes, slide. I wouldn't say snakes, slide. I would not say snakes, slides. So snakes, I have an S, so it's slide. But if I only have one, so if I had the snake, then I would have had slides. Okay, I know it's a little difficult, but we'll keep working on that. Okay. 1 second, I'm going to add another slide. Okay, thank you for waiting. I forgot to have you read some words, so we're going to take turns for the first one. Okay, we'll do one together. 5. Word 5. 3, 2, 1. 9. Together. Ripe. Word ripe. 3, 2, 1. Size. Okay. Let's go here. Hike. Word hike. Your turn. 3, 2, 1. Dive. Now cover up that E. What does that say? Div. So you have to have your super E to make it say the I sound. Let's do this one together. Drive. Word, drive. Your turn. 3, 2, 1, glide. Now these last four, I'll give you 3 seconds to read them. 3, 2, 1, pride. 3, 2, 1, spike. 3, 2, 1, lime. 3, 2, 1, tile. Okay, everyone. I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.